This no-bake cheesecake is so simple. All you do is add your lemon juice and your sugar with your cream cheese in your bowl and mix it up. Then you're going to take 1 container of whipped topping and we're just going to stir it in. All right, then we're going to take our pie crust. Now, if you want to make a homemade graham cracker pie crust, Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 has the recipe. You can also find it at livingonadime.com. The link will be in the description below. Then just pour it into your pie crust. Then we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up. It's been firming in the fridge. And of course, what cheesecake is perfection without pie filling on top?
That looks amazing, dear.
Thank you.